Let's make a burger. Let's see what ingredients we need. Here's our burger bun. We need one for the bottom, 下面, and one for the top, 上面. Next, let's add some lettuce, 生菜. It's green and fresh. Now let's add a tomato slice, 番茄. What do we have next? Bacon, 培根. Let's cook it. What is next? Here we have some onion, 洋葱. It smells strong, but it tastes so good in a burger. Are we all ready? Let's stack everything together. Bottom bun, tomato, bacon, onion, lettuce, and top bun. Wow, that's a big burger. 好大. It looks so tasty. Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.